Okay, we're live on
Can you
YouTube.
describe what you're doing, please?
Yeah, we're live on YouTube. And I put in the
Gati, this meeting is being live streamed, Gati.
file save.
Where is the streaming?
You can find it right there. In the corner, you'll see YouTube. You see that?
Oh. No, it doesn't go in.
What do you mean it doesn't go in? Yes, it does.
Fine, yeah, Gati.
You got it. You see?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me go to Zoom. Okay, so what would you like to do today?
I'd like to do a demonstration of personal AI. You can log into personal AI.
Okay, I've logged in.
That will be a good thing.
Okay, so I'm going to record. Let me do the captions. Show captions. So my captions are working. I'm showing the captions.
Share your screen.
You see my screen.
I see your screen
Yeah, right here. Right here.
here.
Yeah, that's you. You see my screen?
I see you and I see
Right.
me.
Right.
I do not see your screen.
Well, I haven't started yet sharing because I just set it up. I just set up live YouTube.
Any extra from coming?
No, I needed to set up. So welcome. We're going to be talking about personal AI. Let me share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Not yet. I'm going
Yeah.
to remove the sound. Now it's 16.
Okay.
Please describe what you are doing out loud and slowly.
Okay, so you see my screen? Can you come and look at my screen?
Not yet.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready. Can you tell me when you're ready?
Why don't you go ahead and continue?
Okay, so I'm typing in, you can see on my screen, I'm typing in personal,
Yes, now I see your screen.
you see that? .ai. You see that?
Yes,
No, you don't see that.
I saw it already.
Well,
Thank
okay, and it comes out with personal AI, and then I just need to log in.
you. Log in, please.
And I've logged in. You see me logged in?
Yes.
And since I've logged in already in the computer, you can see already I have on the left-hand side my URL. You were asking what it says. It says Doctors Rush. And it gives my email in which I logged into, which I created my username. And you see here, it has memories 10 out of 100. And then it has AI messages 11. You see that?
Yes,
Yes, what?
I see that.
What do you see?
Message is 11.
Where do you see it? Show me that you see it. You're just repeating what I say. You're not paying attention, I think.
Message is 11.
You may. You see messages 11?
How can I make this view smaller so
Which
I have
view?
access to the
You have to go to the corner.
here view
Yeah.
side by
Exit,
side?
no, exit full screen.
Thank you.
Okay.
So as if I'm a student that needs to learn what to do for the homework assignment.
Well, first the homework assignment.
Right, after I created my own username and password and I can log in,
Right.
what should I do? First of all, to find the video that I have to watch, how to ace my final.
Okay. Well, do you see my screen?
I see your screen, yeah.
Okay.
I see the notepad.
You see my notepad. So on my notepad, I have two files. I have two URLs. You see, the first one says Personal AI Model 1 and AI trained on you. You see that? And the second one says Personal AI to ace your final exam. You see where the cursor is? So I can highlight this part where it's YouTube, Personal AI.
Copy, edit, go to the edit submenu, highlight the edit submenu of Notepad, then copy to the clipboard buffer.
Right.
Now open another browser. Don't leave this alone, please. Go back to where you were before. Open another browser.
In the same type of browser?
Not the same type of browser. Any other browser that is not this browser. Like Microsoft, for example. Now paste the URL at the top
Okay.
and demonstrate how you click the video so people can see.
Grammarly's top.
This is an ad first. An ad comes up, and then I'm going to skip ads.
Hello, Sean, Personal.AI. Today I'm going to talk about how you pick AI profile to ace your final exam or to study within it. So simply.
Okay, so what is your goal? I have 10 minutes
My goal
now.
is to learn how to do the homework assignment, to watch the video that you assigned to me,
Okay, so you got to watch this
Okay.
video.
and then show me how to go to the room.
What
where I
room?
can
What
go to
room?
the-
What room?
PowerPoint.
that I can, where can I
So.
upload my document, upload the document so I can train the AI about my personal document.
Okay,
It'll say it's a draft, but I can press stack it.
so I have to look at the beginning.
I think it's a good document.
So I can do my homework and take a document
Okay.
and upload it and another document. So let the AI know about it from the desktop, pull out
Separate your data.
from Vida some resume and copy and paste it into the document. So the AI can learn about you.
Okay, so I haven't done it.
So do it now. and
Well, now
describe what you're doing.
I haven't listened to it.
Hello.
Don't need to listen.
Well, I need
After
it.
2 seconds is enough for you.
No,
Stop.
I need it.
Stop the playing.
Okay. And then what did it just do?
We just told you a little bit about the class
No, no.
philosophy 1010.
No, but how did you write that? How do you write that? Where do you write it?
You didn't write anything.
He did. So if I have to measure what he did, it says philosophy 1010.
It describes how to ace a class.
I know, but first you have to decide the subject area, he said. How do you get that subject area?
I don't know. I didn't
So,
finish. I forgot about the video. This is why I'm asking you.
Okay, I
Tell me.
haven't done it,
So do it.
but I have to figure out how you get this philosophy. So I need to listen to it step
So
by
listen
step.
to it.
Well, if you're talking, it's difficult to
I'm not
hear it.
saying a word. I'm
You're
listening.
saying. So let's listen to it together.
Fine.
Talk about how you pick AI profile to ace your final exam. or to
Maximize the
study
volume.
within it.
Describe what you're doing.
I'm trying to look for the speaker to maximize.
The speaker, click the speaker icon and raise it to 100%.
Okay, I did 99.
Click the playback again. And explain to the students what you are hearing and what they should be doing.
Okay, but I haven't
With the
done that.
homework
I
assignment.
know. So you have to play it.
Right.
Today I'm going to talk about how you can make an AI profile to ace your final exams or to study within it. So simply, you can create a new AI profile. This allows you to separate your data. Almost think about it.
Okay, so how do you create a new, are you sure? How do you create a new profile here? So if I look here, my AI, do I go to? Where did he go to create a new profile?
You want to come over here and use this screen is a better screen?
No,
No?
because I'm working from here.
Fine.
But did you see how I create a new profile?
Why don't you
My
describe-
AI, it says my AI profiles.
I'm
So
listening.
maybe, well, you're busy. Well, you want to work on together. You can't be busy. You understand? You're always busy and don't pay attention.
Okay, fine.
So here is personal life. New document, new direct message, new line. Professional life. looks like professional life, you have to upgrade. Do you understand? You see that?
Yeah. Do it without upgrading.
Okay,
Upgrade. You
so
can't
maybe
make-
just put documents in it.
you put documents in.
Okay.
Whatever you can do, you know how to do it.
Spotlight for her collaboration. Stacked. Dr. Rushinick, IT department. Let me go back.
I'm going to talk about how you can make an AI profile to ace your final exams or to study within it. So simply, you can create a new AI profile. This allows you to have
Okay, so you see here where there's a plus sign? Are you paying attention?
I'm looking- Yeah, I see the plus sign, yeah,
So I'm gonna try to do this plus sign.
okay.
So it says custom, see, it says custom AI profile and it has
Yes.
a little
Brown,
crown. That means I can't use that.
yeah, fine, so use what you can,
Maybe new document.
fine.
What happens when I go to a new document? Try and paste your text here.
So I told you, go to your text to the Vida.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to do a new exam. So shouldn't I go to my BTE 210? Because you want to show the students how to do ace your exam, not my Vita.
Fine. So go
Yeah,
to-
yeah, or do you want my Vita?
I told you to do what you should tell the student to do. First of all, put their resume in there. It's
Yeah, but
text.
no, but that's not the test. The test is they're acing their exam. Their Vita has nothing to do with what they're acing
In
their
your class
exam.
folder, take a quiz. And
Right.
take it.
Yeah.
Whatever it is that you want them to do.
Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Exam 2 review terms. Copy. And then I'm going to paste here. They say paste, they say Control V.
Turn Pissar on.
No,
Why don't you do that?
I'm trying.
Switch with me and let me do it, and you can continue from here.
Well, how can I continue from there? Because I'm not sharing so stop sharing my screen.
Yes. And swap places with me.
Okay. Did you play the video?
I didn't do anything.
Well, then I can't. I need to watch the video too.
Or so continue there. I think that you already learned it and you can
No, I never said I did.
so stay there
Maybe I should just listen to what I need to do here.
or listen to what you need to do.
I thought you knew how to do it. No?
No tom. Just get the job done without a lot of tom nonsense. Describe what you are doing.
Okay, now I have a file. So I'm in, you have my screen. Do you see what I'm doing?
Yes. Just
Uh,
describe it.
to separate your data. Almost think about it like a folder. So the data
I'm trying to listen.
AI profile to ace your final exams or to study within it. So simply, you can create a new AI profile. This allows you to have.
Okay, so
separate
you're not
examples.
able,
Think about it like
let me
a
just put a
folder.
note. So if you want them to follow the,
Prescription that they tell you how to
Did-
ace the test.
how to ace the test, they're telling you to create a new profile. And when you see the new profile that we have for the free version, you cannot create a new profile.
You stay in the same profile, and
So,
later you will upgrade it
Yeah.
to the
New profile,
Right
right.
now, edit to the current.
okay, so it says,
So go to
add-
the profile and add to the profile whatever, as if it was a new profile.
Yeah.
Describe what you're doing, please.
so this is my personal profile. And it says the plus. It basically, we want to do custom AI profile. Are you looking here?
Yes,
What do you see?
let's see custom
You don't,
profile,
no, it says custom
Insert.
A profile.
custom AI profile.
And what's the problem with it?
The problem is that you need to have a premium, which you don't have yet.
Right.
So you are going to do it without.
So I'm
no
gonna
problem.
say here, type or paste control this, your text here.
Open the quiz, copy it, and then paste it in the space or
Okay,
move the cursor to where it says plus, type or paste.
yeah, so
paste it
here. And at this point, I'm gonna paste here.
So you pasted the quiz.
I'm copying, no, the quiz, it's the review, review questions. Okay?
Fine.
I pasted it, and now what am I supposed to do? I press enter. And it says add topics. I added the topics here.
So these are open. What kind of questions did you paste in there? Where did you take them from?
I took them,
Student? Yeah, you shouldn't have a copy of this.
yeah, it's
Tell me,
it's the review sheet,
this is questions and answers, or only questions,
only topics.
topics. Is that enough to make up a question?
Yes,
Topics.
Right.
Review sheet.
yeah.
And what exam review? What kind of review?
Exam review. Hardware characteristics,
About hardware.
right. Got it, and this was hardware characteristics. Under documents, and if you see documents here, you see where it says hardware characteristics on top.
Yeah.
So I have that on top.
So this will be we'll make a quiz about hardware characteristics.
Okay. And now if I go to the listen,
Click to there, we'll only go into that specific AI profile and your main AI. Then you can go to integrations and you can see what you have available. If you connect to Google Drive, you'll be able to basically send your AI, your notes.
you know how I got to that integrations?
No. How did you get to the integration?
I don't know. I'm asking you. All. And how did I get to integrations? Oh, integrations down here. You see on the left?
Yeah. So review, how did you get to integration?
It's right here on the left on the bottom.
Mhm.
These were my documents when
So
I,
this is, call it my data. The
no,
main menu,
Not my
is
data.
memory stack, and there are three types of memory stacks. There is a memory stack of document, a memory stack of favorites, and a memory stack of integrations,
now I'm doing
in
integrations,
which you clicked in, and you can integrate it with multiple
right?
objects, including Google Drive, Clipboard, which you are using when you use copy and paste.
Yeah.
You are using the
But it says
Clipboard,
but it says
By
disconnect,
default,
I
doesn't
can't get
matter.
in.
By default, you are using the clipboard. It
Right.
doesn't matter whether it is connected
Right,
to personal AI or not.
right.
by default, when you do a copy and paste operation, when you select copy, you copy a document, which you did, and it is by default going to the clipboard.
Right.
Even if the clipboard is disconnected from Personal.AI, it doesn't matter,
Okay.
because when you go back into Personal.AI and paste it in, you were using manually the clipboard, you understand? And later on, they will integrate it, so it will be even easier to do it. But right now, you bypass their integration,
Right.
and you are using the PC's clipboard buffer.
Mhm.
You understand? Can you
Yeah.
explain it to me?
Let me keep on going.
and your main AI. Then you can go to integrations and you can see what we have available. If you connect to Google Drive, you'll be able to basically send.
I'm
your
going
AI
over what they're
your
talking
notes,
about.
PowerPoints, other things. So I have a Google presentation here. I can simply drop it in. It'll say it's in drafts, but I can press stack to stack it. As you can see, if you go to your documents, you can see how it works. It basically turns into a document, and then from there, sometimes I press stack again, it doesn't go through. And then now I can go to my memory stack, and I can see the new data coming in.
I saw the new
One
data.
thing to keep in mind is that your memory stack, when you send the URL to it, it will sync given the date it was produced. So if you have a PowerPoint or you have Google Docs that were months old, it might not pop up, but you'll see the memory blocks increase. which is that
Mine,
number on the top. From here,
oh, I
can
need to
upload
do
another
stack.
kind of document, a Google Doc. Simply send the URL. Stack it once again. And I can see the data
Oh, I want
coming
it
in.
stacked.
because these are all new. See that number increasing on the top. 161 is updated.
I don't know how to stack. You see here?
Another idea is you can always paste things into our in-house document. So
Yes.
I'm going to actually sync these quizzes.
You see here? This hardware characteristics?
Yeah.
What's the status of it? Follow my cursor. What's the status of it?
It's a draft.
Right, and it needs to be stacked.
Click the 3 points.
Save to stack. You see that?
Yes.
I click it, but nothing happens.
You don't know if nothing happens or not.
Oh, now it says stack. Do you see that?
It takes time. You have
Yeah.
to wait
Right.
for it to start.
Okay, so
You
I,
understand? Explain it to me. When it doesn't happen instantly, this is not instant messaging. This is dealing with multiple
no,
update operations. and
this
it
is-
takes a few
this
seconds.
is a small model too, and it's not as fast as ChatGPT 4. So you see how it's stacked now? Now if I go back,
So let's repeat it.
Wait a
Open the
minute,
3
no.
dots and review what you just did.
let me just keep on going because I have to leave in 5 minutes. So let me just go back to the entire video.
Notes.
So I stacked
Create a
it.
document, edit, paste and match style. From here, it's actually a great format because as you can see, it's question and answer. And with your AI, you always want the data you put in to be contextualized so your AI understands
Okay.
what's being answered. So it's very valuable to have a question and answer in the same memory block or in the same document because it allows your AI to identify, okay, this is the question, this is the answer, and your AI can answer many questions based on these entries. So from here, here's like a question. We can try it out. What are 2 kinds of virtue? The aerosol.
How did he get the question?
You copied it,
No, I'm saying,
Simply ask.
or you wrote it, doesn't matter.
Already see that the AI is learning. You can see the
Okay.
personal score is 66%.
Okay.
Beautiful.
So-
Go to the playback and
data.
explain how it's learning.
yeah, it's learning, but my
public
problem
URL.
is, where do I see that prompt? On my machine?
I don't know.
See, you see here where I have my hardware characteristics, it's stacked. Right? I go to my memory stack. Hardware characteristics I see below. Right? What are the characteristics? You see those
Yes.
all below? Now where do I have my prompt? Personal AI.
Make it full screen,
It is full screen.
so it should be somewhere there. I don't know where it is.
You understand? It's not there. You see here on the bottom here, you can add right in here. Mine doesn't look like this. See how the connection is? These connections,
I'm updating the persona.
do you see these connections? I need to get going. Then,
Get going.
but you want to continue with this or you want to stop at this point? And watch,
You're teaching me, I don't
I
know
get-
what to do, I'm a student.
but do you know what to do if you're not a student?
No.
Okay, so we need to spend time looking at that.
Spend time looking.
Okay, I don't have the time right now.
So,
So do you want me to stop everything for this point?
well,
Or do you want to continue? That's my question. Do you want to
just leave
continue?
it, I'll stop it,
And what will you do in between?
I'll just
What will you do?
stop everything.
No, but I can stop everything, but what will you be continuing to do? Because I want to stop the, you're not going to do it, continue until I come back, right?
Right,
So let me stop recording.
stop it.
Okay, I'm stopping sharing. So we're going to go back.
Try what you're doing.
So I'm going to stop sharing. And now I'm going to shut